Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: online tutoring, how to share your knowledge and earn money. If you have a passion for teaching and want to make a difference while earning an income, online tutoring is an excellent option. In this video, we will explore the world of online tutoring and provide you with valuable tips on how to share your knowledge and monetize your expertise. So let's get started. Introduction to online tutoring. Online tutoring has become increasingly popular, offering a convenient way for students to learn and for tutors to share their knowledge. In this section, we'll introduce you to the concept of online tutoring and the benefits it offers for both tutors and students. Identify your areas of expertise. To start your online tutoring journey, it's essential to identify your areas of expertise. Consider subjects or skills in which you excel and have a passion for teaching. It could be academic subjects like math, science, or languages, or specialized skills like music, art, or programming. Focus on your strengths to provide the best possible tutoring experience. Choose a target audience. Once you have identified your areas of expertise, it's time to choose a target audience for your online tutoring services. Determine the age group or specific student demographic you want to work with. You can cater to school-age children, college students, adult learners, or even professionals seeking to enhance their skills. Set clear learning objectives. When designing your tutoring sessions, it's crucial to set clear learning objectives for your students. Identify the knowledge or skills they should acquire through your lessons. Break down complex concepts into manageable chunks and create a structured learning plan to guide your tutoring sessions effectively. Select suitable online platforms. Selecting the right online platform is essential for conducting your tutoring sessions. Numerous platforms provide video conferencing, screen sharing, and collaborative tools to facilitate effective online tutoring. Popular options include Zoom, Skype, Google Meet, and specialized tutoring platforms like Vazent or tutor.com. Establish your pricing structure. Establishing a fair pricing structure for your tutoring services is crucial. Research the market rates for online tutoring in your subject area and consider factors such as your qualification, experience, and the demand of your services. You can charge per hour, per session, or offer package deals based on the duration or number of sessions. Promote your tutoring services. To attract students and build a client base, you need to effectively promote your tutoring services. Utilize various channels such as social media, online forums, and education-related websites to spread the word. Create engaging content that showcases your expertise and shares testimonials or success stories from your previous students. Prepare engaging lesson plans. To deliver impactful online tutoring sessions, prepare engaging lesson plans in advance. Structure your lessons to include a mix of theory, practical exercises, interactive discussions, and relevant resources. Tailor your lesson to suit the individual learning styles and preferences of your students. Provide ongoing support and feedback. Ongoing support and feedback are vital for students' progress. Offer additional resources, practice materials, or recommended readings to supplement your tutoring sessions. Provide constructive feedback to help students improve their understanding and performance. Regularly assesses their progress and adjusts your teaching strategies accordingly. Congratulations, you have learned valuable tips on how to share your knowledge and earn money through online tutoring. Remember to identify your areas of expertise, choose a target audience, set clear learning objectives, select suitable online platforms, establish a fair pricing structure, promote your tutoring services, prepare engaging lesson plans, and provide ongoing support and feedback to your students. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it.